One of the things when it comes to millennials that people like to make fun of the most is the whole participation ribbons, okay? There are no winners or losers. Let's not keep score because keeping score makes people feel bad. So let's give participation ribbons. Now keep in mind, if you were a boomer, it was first, second, or third place. If you got fourth place, you were a loser, okay? So when it comes to millennials, they've gotten feedback their entire life. Now, although we like to make fun of this, what it means to you in the workplace is this is a generation that wants feedback. And they don't want the once a year personal performance review that nobody likes, okay? Managers don't like it. Employees don't like sitting through it, but what millennials are looking for is more regular feedback, 5-minute touch bases, 5-minute check-ins. You know, how are things going? How can I help you to do your job better? So when it comes to the millennials, when they have questions, take the time to answer them. Take the time to connect with them. Give them feedback because believe it or not, they're not looking for, oh yeah, you're so good all the time. What they're looking for is this is what you're doing well, this is what you can do better, and this is how I can help you to do that better. So we look for ways to have those conversations so that they're short, they're sweet, they're to the point, but the millennial feels that they are being connected with in the organization. They feel valued because of the skills, the knowledge, the experience that they have, and they know that there's going to be somebody there to answer their questions and to help them progress in their career.